Welcome to our journey exploring the fascinating path of sunlight. I'm starting this video with a partially true story. A few days ago, I met Sabu, and during our conversation, he suddenly asked me a question. I casually replied that light from the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. The sunlight that is touching our skin at this moment actually left the sun 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. In response, Sabu laughed, which left me slightly confused. I started wondering, what was so funny about what I said? Now imagine that you have a switch in your hand that can turn the sun on and off even though that's not actually possible. If you were to turn off the sun right now, what would happen? Would it instantly disappear? No! We wouldn't notice the sun going dark immediately. Instead, we would see the sun as it was for another 8 minutes and 20 seconds before realizing that it had vanished. This is because the Earth orbits the sun from a distance of about 150 million kilometers, or 93 million miles. Since light travels at the fastest possible speed, 300,000 kilometers per second, dividing this distance by the speed of light gives us 500 seconds, which is exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That's how long light, or more precisely, photons, take to travel from the sun to Earth. However, the light that leaves the sun today was created long before it ever reaches us. The light that finally emerges from the sun's surface was produced in the sun's core thousands or even millions of years ago. Now, let's delve into the fascinating journey of a photon. From its chaotic birth in the sun's core, it takes an incredibly long and arduous path before it finally escapes into space and makes its way to Earth. This journey is a testament to the intricate and wondrous processes that govern our universe. Why does it take so long? Inside the sun, conditions are extremely dense. The sun's core has the highest density, the middle layers have slightly lower density, and the outermost layers have the least density. Because of this, photons inside the sun do not travel in a straight line. Instead, they constantly collide with particles and get scattered in random directions. This process is called random walk. In this random journey, a photon bounces around countless times before it can finally escape the sun's dense interior and travel freely through space as visible light. A similar process happens with smell molecules. When you smell something, the scent molecules randomly collide with air molecules until they eventually reach your nose. This movement of molecules is known as Brownian motion, the same type of motion that sunlight follows inside the sun. Ever wondered why Sabu's laughter is so contagious? Stay tuned as we dive into the science behind it and explore some more fascinating concepts. So when I told Sabu that sunlight takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, I was technically correct. But what I didn't mention was that the light we see today started its journey inside the sun thousands or even millions of years ago before finally reaching us. This was the real reason behind Sabu's laughter. Now that we understand the journey of light, let's move on to another fascinating topic: how atomic bombs work. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on nuclear explosions and scientific breakthroughs. Subscribe to the Science Sphere for more mind-blowing science content.